In this video, I'm going to show you how to view comments in Bluebeam. Now, the first way you can do this is if you can see any of these comments here on your PDF. So for example, this one, this is basically a note. You can simply hover over it and see what it says. Here's one, and I also have one down here which says this is great. You can also double click on these to actually edit them and see them to the full extent. You can do that for any note over here, or if it's not popping up, and if you, for example, want these to see them in one place, you can view them at the bottom left here by clicking on this markups button. And here, if you scroll down to the bottom, usually under notes, you can extend that and you'll be able to see different notes. You can even see what their comments are. You can go ahead and basically just double click on that, and it says hey, and then of course whatever it says on that specific note. But to view them, for example, to view comments for different other things here, you could also see them here at the bottom. As you can see, it's going to tell you exactly what certain comments say here. You can click on them, it's going to show you where those comments are, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.